Hi viewers, here we are going to see Bangalore to Munnar road trip via Salem, Dindigul, Theni. We started at the night, so to avoid the traffic and some roadworks going on Hosur Dharmapuri road, we travelled through Rajakkad and Parakkat highway. It will connect at Dharmapuri so that we can reach Salem. We are planning to stay at Salem, so we already booked there. So we stayed at Palm Residency. It is located at the Salem Road highway. We stayed here because we don't want to reach Munnar at the night time. We are checking out now. So it's 8:30 in the morning. So we are going to have breakfast in Adyar Ananda Bhavan. Breakfast was done. It was good. So we are starting the trip to Munnar. Day 2. We'll see. The roads are good. So we are traveling towards Namakkal, Karur, Dindigul. So we'll be traveling in the same highway. Here you can see some windmills there. As you can see on the left side, you can see many of these trucks in this highway. Please wear seat belts while driving. Drive slowly and responsibly. Please don't drink and drive. So here we are supposed to take right. So we are traveling towards Theni from Dindigul. So this is the way towards Theni. You can see lot of mountain views. You can enjoy the sceneries. So at this junction we are supposed to take right towards Ariyanoor. Here we stopped for lunch. Food was excellent. They have provided meals, biryanis and parathas also there. You can try whatever you want. So after lunch we started towards Munnar. Just for a few meters we have these kind of roads. Some road works were going on at Ariyanoor. This is the hills we are going to climb. We have a good view of hills, sceneries there. So we have a checkpost here, and here we need to take a hard left, like a U-turn. So we have gradually climbing the hills, and we are enjoying the views. We have a checkpost here, but they won't stop private vehicles. We just passing through this checkpost. For Munnar we have two different routes. So one is through Animalai and another one is through Theni, Bodimedu. So we traveled Theni, Bodimedu. So my suggestion is to take this road so that we can see lot of views, sceneries, tea estates. My suggestion is to take this route because we have wider roads. We reached Pupara. So we are going to stop here for a while, then we can start to Munnar. The good thing is the rain is going to start. It started a bit. We'll see how much it will rain. Since we started from Bodimedu, we felt like it is very hot here, but we saw some clouds here. Now the climate looks different, completely different, and we can feel some chillness. It's a good sign. Dark clouds are coming on our way. We are expecting rain here, and I love this climate seriously. Rain starts. So this is the Periya Canal waterfalls. As you can see, while traveling towards Munnar from Bodimedu, you can see this waterfall. It's a bit crowded, but it's good. And we stopped here for a viewpoint after crossing the waterfalls, and the view was very, very good, guys. The best thing on road trip is we can enjoy the views wherever we want. We can enjoy the climate, and we can enjoy the viewpoints, and we can enjoy the nature. It's a bliss. And we have a toll plaza here before reaching Munnar. We reached Munnar, so we are traveling towards stay. We are going to stay at Grand Plaza Munnar. So we reached the stay and we are going to check in now. As a welcome drink, they provide herbal tea. It's good to have. Really enjoyed that tea. It's good. So this is our room. The room was very neat and excellent. It's good for the price. So, and the bathroom, toilets, everything is cleaned and well maintained. There we have a complimentary tea and snack. They serve very hot. It was good. This is a view from our room. Breakfast was good here. Here they provided dosa and omelets in a live counter. And I tried palamburi for the first time here. It was good, really good. We checked out from Grand Plaza and we are traveling towards Ragamaya. We'll see what are the views we are going to get. In Munnar you can see a lot of jeep safaris there. For local guides and jeep safaris, they will take you to some other viewpoints or some other activities you want. In Munnar you can see many tea estates here. Horrible road starts from here. So we can see some road closed boards, signboards here. Actually we made a mistake while traveling in this route. We ignored the signboards and we took Google Map route. So after this road closure board, you have the diversion. Please take the diversion. We avoided those diversion and we ended up passing through these routes. These routes was very horrible. So the good thing is there is no rain today. So it's good to travel in this route. If it rains, then it will be horrible. The road looks narrow, but it's not as you think. It's a bit wider. It can accommodate 2 cars at a time, so don't worry while traveling this route. We have Viewpoint here before reaching Ragamaya Resort. This is Ponmudi Lake and it connects with Ponmudi Dam. So the government provides some boating facilities. Finally we are here at Ragamaya Resort. We'll see. I like the hospitality and service. So after checking in, we are going to our room. So this is our way. Here actually three blocks were there. Each block they have 6 rooms. All the rooms have lake view. So our room is on the top side. We'll see. Room looks very spacious and very neat. Personally, I like this room. And we have a balcony view, lake view, Ponmudi Lake. Wow, what a view. I really enjoyed this view, man. So we have a chairs and table at the balcony. We have a very neat and clean bathrooms and I really love it. All the products were biotic, soap, body wash, body lotion and shampoo. And here we have a hair dryer. And after that we have biscuits, mini fridge. In that fridge we have soda, water, soft drinks and chocolates. They are chargeable. Here we have a spacious wardrobe. We ordered biryani and fried rice with prawns. In Kerala, mostly we can get Kerala style biryanis. I like Hyderabadi or Tamil Nadu style biryanis, but in Kerala, mostly we don't get these type of biryanis there. So here we can see swimming pools. It's not that much bigger pools, but we can see lake view from here. It is good to see, and it is very quiet place. And here we have a children park and we have a campfire, and then we have a tea stall which will be open around 5:30 in the evening. We'll get a great view from the pool. This is a balcony view. I really enjoyed this view. We provide complimentary tea and snack in the evening, and the service was excellent. Wow, foggy morning. I really enjoyed it, man. It's great to see. And here breakfast we have buffet with the potato and boiled red grams, and we have parathas, idlis they served hot. We have a sambar, and we have palamburi, chutneys, and we have brown and white breads. We have potato kurma for puri, and puri they provided hot. We have pancake, sausage, bun, butter, jam, and we have fruits, sandwiches, and milkshakes, juices, cereals. So after checking out from Ragamaya, we are going towards another resort, Parakkat Nature Resort, that's in Munnar. So this is Ripple waterfalls we can see while traveling towards Parakkat Nature Resort. Here the entry fees is 25 rupees per person. Here we have shops, and here they have provided some zipline activity next to that waterfall, and we can see good views here. Look at the climate, guys. It's cloudy. I think it's going to rain. I really like this climate. So we reached Parakkat Nature Resort. We are going down to the parking. The road was very narrow and very steep. Please be careful while driving down. In Parakkat, they have their own jewelry business, so they have some jewel shops at the reception. If you want, you can buy it from here. Here we have some seating area. We can enjoy the views and we can play carom, chess, and ludos here. we can see lot of photo spaces here, and we can enjoy the valley view from this point. We have checked in and we are going to a room. Actually the reception is at the top floor, that is the third floor, and the remaining rooms have at the next levels. Our room is at -1. We have some children play area at each and every floor, I think. We'll see. Our room is near to a swimming pool, and this is the only pool I think in this resort. So this is our room. When compared to other two stays, this room looks smaller and the bathroom also looks smaller. We'll see. We have a balcony view. So this is the balcony view. We have a door at the balcony and which connects to the next room, which is closed now. And we have one problem here. Here we have a lot of monkeys around the property and we are not supposed to open the doors. While entering into the room, I think bathroom stinks, so I just informed them. They cleaned, but still I felt the same. Here we have some body oils, shampoos, moisturizers, and hand washes, and shower cap, dental kits, everything we have. Here comes the fog. It's good to see. Really love this climate, man. So buffet starts morning. We have milk kolkata, bananas, sweet potatoes. This is sweet potato, and this is a steamed banana. I don't know the name exactly. This is aval nanachadu. I don't know. This is, I think it's a Kerala style food. And it's idli, vada, sambar, puri kurma. And we have a noodle, parathas, potatoes, uttapam, non-veg gravies. Actually that's a fish gravy. And here we have a multiple chutneys. Pizzas, sandwiches, fruits, salads, cakes, desserts, and we have wafers, chocolates, popcorns. We have multiple varieties of desserts here. So after the breakfast we are going to checking out from this property and our trip ends, and we are going to Bangalore. So as for we stayed 3 different properties, and my opinion is Ragamaya was good, and even Grand Plaza was good when compared to Parakkat. We thought Parakkat was overpriced, and we booked for a balcony view, but due to the monkeys we are unable to open the balcony doors. So other than that, we had a good stay in Parakkat. We enjoyed the climate. And in Munnar we stayed for 3 days, and first 2 days we felt not that much good climate, but while we traveling back to Bangalore, as you see, it's very misty. We really love this climate. It was very chill. Actually it's 12 p.m, so it's not looks like 12 p.m, it's like a morning 7 or 8. I really enjoy this climate. Oh wow, look at the climate. While we are traveling back to Bangalore, we see this mist. Oh man, we really miss this Munnar actually. For the stays and the pricings, I will add them in the description. Please find it from there. We stopped here for lunch. I will share you the location. It's located near Patalagundu. We have a gas station nearby, parking facilities there, restroom facilities there, and we have good food here. Biryani shop also there. We have find lot of shops here. So this is our trip to Munnar, and please share your experience if you visited Munnar before, and please like and subscribe our channel. We'll see you in your next video. Thank you. Bye bye.